CES 2026 just ended, and robot vacuum companies spent millions of dollars answering questions nobody asked. Do you need a vacuum that diffuses lavender while it cleans? Probably not. Do you need a vacuum that climbs stairs like a tiny Roomba tank? Maybe, but here's what actually matters. We found 5 robot vacuums that might justify their price tags, and 1 prototype that changes everything. Today we're ranking the top smart robot vacuums unveiled at CES 2026, the biggest tech show of the year. We're covering what's actually new, which innovations solve real problems, and whether any of this matters if you're tired of vacuuming. We're covering the ones that earn their place. Let's start at number 5, the Narwal Flow 2. Narwal showed up at CES 2026 with a robot vacuum that's actually focused on mopping, not just dragging a damp cloth around your floor while pretending that counts as cleaning. Here's what makes it different: AI-enhanced cleaning patterns that adapt to your floor type, wet and dry cleaning combo optimized for real homes, improved mapping and obstacle avoidance, because hitting the same chair leg 47 times isn't learning, it's just sad. Here's why it matters. Most robot vacuums treat mopping as an afterthought. The Flow 2 actually applies pressure, uses fresh water, and cleans its own mop pads automatically. If you want one machine to handle everyday debris and deeper spills without constant babysitting, this is one of the more practical launches from CES. At number 4, Dream's Ultra Thin Series. Dream used CES 2026 to showcase robot vacuums built around one simple idea: what if the vacuum could actually fit under your furniture? Groundbreaking, we know. Ultra-thin models that physically go places most robots don't, like under sofas, beds, and that IKEA cabinet you regret buying. AI navigation improvements that reduce the bouncing around like a drunk Roomba effect. Why this matters: most robot vacuums are too tall to fit under standard furniture. Dream's ultra-thin design is only 3.2 inches tall. That's roughly 1 inch shorter than most competitors, which is the difference between cleans your whole floor and cleans 60% of your floor. The catch: thinner robots usually mean smaller dustbins and weaker suction. Dream claims they've solved this with better airflow engineering. We'll believe it when we test it. At number 3, the Eufy Omni S2. The Omni S2 is Eufy's play for the set it and forget it crowd. Side brush plus mop systems that work simultaneously. Self-cleaning and self-drying base station, automated water refill, intelligent mapping, coupled with AI navigation and strong suction power, the Omni S2 aims to be close to set it and forget it, the holy grail of autonomous floor care. Here's the reality: set it and forget it is marketing language for you still need to empty the base station every 45 days. But compared to traditional robot vacuums that need daily attention, this is a massive improvement. If you want a robot that vacuums, mops, and returns to a docking station that handles the messy parts automatically, this is one of the more compelling options from the CES lineup. At number 2, the Eufy S2 with aromatherapy. And yes, you heard that correctly. Someone at Anchor looked at a robot vacuum and thought, you know what this needs? Essential oils. The Eufy S2 isn't just a vacuum mop hybrid, it's also a built-in aromatherapy diffuser designed to perfume your home while it cleans. Here's what it actually includes: powerful suction system, approximately 30,000 PA, which is legitimately impressive, AI-driven 3D mapping that recognizes over 200 object types, self-cleaning mop rollers with electrolyzed water, smart base station that empties the dustbin, refills water, and washes/dries the mop heads automatically, and yes, a fragrance cartridge system that releases scent as it cleans. This isn't just cleaning, it's ambient maintenance for your house. Practical? Debatable. Interesting? Absolutely. Who this is for: people who want their robot vacuum to also be a conversation starter. People who have fully committed to the smart home as lifestyle brand aesthetic. Everyone else will find this gimmicky, but we can't deny, it's impressive that they made it work without compromising the actual vacuuming performance. Before we get to number 1, let's talk about what CES 2026 actually revealed. Every company showed up with the same 3 buzzwords: AI navigation, self-cleaning, smart home integration. But here's what actually matters: most robot vacuums vacuums still can't climb over thick rugs without getting stuck. Most still struggle with pet hair tangled around brushes. And most still require you to manually intervene more often than the marketing suggests. Number 1 solves at least one of these problems better than the competition. Taking the number 1 spot, the Roborock Q-Revo Curve 2 Flow. This was the most impressive announcement from CES 2026, and it's the first robot vacuum we've seen that actually justifies the phrase next generation. The Q-Revo Curve 2 Flow is Roborock's first robot vacuum with a motorized self-cleaning roller mop. Why this matters? Most hybrid vacuums still use simple oscillating mops that require frequent manual cleaning and spread dirty water instead of picking it up. Roborock's roller mop changes that. Here's how it works. High RPM spinning roller with downward pressure, meaning it actually scrubs your floor. Multiple jets and built-in scrapers that self-clean the roller in real time. Roller shield for carpet protection. When it detects carpet, it lifts the mop completely. Advanced AI to detect mess types and switch modes automatically. Auto empty base that handles up to 65 days of debris on a single bag. And yes, it integrates with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Home via Matter. We've tested Roborock's previous flagship models, and they consistently outperform competitors in navigation, suction consistency, and obstacle avoidance. The Q-Revo Curve 2 Flow builds on that foundation with the one feature we've been waiting for, a mop that doesn't suck. Here's the difference. Other robot vacuums mop because they can. The Q-Revo Curve 2 Flow mops because it's actually good at it. Who this is for? If you've tried robot vacuum mop combos before and been disappointed by the mopping performance, this is the first one that might change your mind. If you have hard floors and pets, this handles both better than anything else announced at CES. The catch? It's expensive. Expect pricing around $1,200 to $1,400. But if it means you stop manually mopping for the next 3 years, the math might actually work out. CES 2026 also gave us a glimpse of something genuinely wild. The Roborock Saros Rover, a robot vacuum with leg wheel architecture designed to actually climb stairs. Yes, you heard that correctly. A robot vacuum that climbs stairs. Right now, if you have a 2-story home, you either buy 2 robot vacuums, manually carry one upstairs, or just vacuum upstairs yourself. The Saros Rover solves this. It uses a hybrid leg wheel system that rolls on flat surfaces, deploys legs to climb stairs step by step, and returns to the base station autonomously. The reality check. This is still in prototype territory. We don't know when it's coming to market or how much it will cost. But if stair climbing becomes real, it's a genuine step toward total home automation. What made this year's robot vacuum showcase different isn't incremental power boosts. It's a shift toward hands-off autonomous ecosystems, smarter AI navigation, and real automation of cleanup tasks most people still hate. The question isn't what can these robots do? The question is, will they actually save you time or just give you new things to maintain? For most of these, the answer is finally starting to shift. So if you're in the market for a robot vacuum that actually moves your life forward, the Q-Revo Curve 2 Flow tops the chart for everyday usefulness. The Eufy S2 earns points for automation depth and novelty. Narwal Flow 2 and Eufy Omni S2 are great choices for multi-surface homes. Dreamy's innovations signal where the tech is headed, and the Saros Rover shows us what's coming next. CES 2026 proved that robot vacuums are finally becoming what they always promised to be, devices that actually clean your home without you. Not perfectly, not always, but better than ever before. That's it for today's breakdown. This is Born Sharp, tech that earns its place. Or doesn't. If this helped, hit subscribe. Until next time, stay sharp.